Hello everyone, welcome to a new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. And I know if you can actually hear or tell already, but the new camera has arrived. Yes, I just received it in the mail. I picked it up and now it is a first test walk on the new camera. I haven't figured out all the settings yet, but I'm so happy that I'm actually having it right now. So a big thanks to everyone who helped, with donating all those Ko-fis, the digital supports. So thank you so much. It is an absolutely horrific day today. It is rainy, it is cold, it is windy, but I am in Sollentuna and I want to go to the supermarket. So I thought, let's take the new camera for a spin. Let's test it out a little bit. Let's see if you can hear the rain noises and things like that. And also I thought a trip to the supermarket in Sweden could be quite interesting to see what they got, what they sell, look at a few prices and things like that. So yeah, so just a few minutes walk here to the ICA Maxi, as it's called. It's like one of the largest supermarkets here in Sweden. It's a chain. So yeah, let's go and check it out. This camera also comes with a wide angle. I haven't tested it out yet, but I will in one of my videos. So a lot of people commented to say like, oh, the quality is fine. It wasn't the quality that was the problem. The main problem was that I couldn't really do long walks because of battery life and things like that. And also because while you're filming with your phone, you can't use it. So I can't really look on Google Maps where I am and things like that. So. And also this one films much better in the dark. And with the winter coming up, it's going to be dark and gray and low lighting and things like that. So yeah. Also another advantage is that this camera has a separate microphone. So I could, for example, walk away from the camera and still talk to it. Or I could even, do a little interview with people, clip the mic on their jacket or whatever. But that's something I'm going to test out in the next weeks and months, so all good. We've almost arrived at the supermarket. This is a bit of an industrial area. It's not that exciting, to be honest. It's more about what's inside the building than outside. At least I brought an umbrella this time. I still have to figure out a little bit if I have to film higher or lower, or like how to move the camera. So that's a matter of getting used to it. Because the old one was much heavier than this one. actually this is quite interesting on this side. This is the little Thai takeaway place, which is really good. And it's also quite famous in this area. People, they drive their car from different places than Sollentuna to get some noodles and things like that. It's really good food. Alright, some electric car charging stations here. And meanwhile, this is a good test for the windshield on my mic because it's really windy. Alrighty, I'm inside. Let's see, now we're in the shop. Oh yeah, they're starting to sell some wood for the winter. Very nice. Unfortunately, I don't have a, like a fireplace. Oh, this is also quite cool. This is a special section for barbecue. To be honest, I don't like the fact that they already have Christmas gear. It's a bit too early for my likings. See, what I like about this camera is it's way more subtle than the other one. Some clothes. All right. The favorite section of my kids, the toys. That's the thing, like before supermarkets were places where they were selling food. Nowadays they sell everything. Right, the bread section. Oh, the favorite Swedish cinnamon rolls. This is my favorite section, the vegetarian section. And it's getting bigger and bigger all the time. Oh, chicken. Fish. Sweden is quite famous for its fish as well. Salmon. Things like that. Different types of potatoes. I don't know, does it look much different than supermarket where you live? Because I noticed supermarkets are not always the same in different countries. I've noticed that when I was traveling. Oh, let's go to the knäckebröd. The real Swedish knäckebröd. Let's have a look. Oh, here it is. Many different sizes, flavors, everything. Even in big round packages. You know what's really big in Sweden? Eating tacos on a Friday. We have a big section of, you know, like taco sauce, salsa, whatever, Tex-Mex. You know, tortilla breads and things like that. Oh, the diaper section. Well, I can tell you one thing. I'm really happy that there's no diapers anymore in my place. My children got a bit bigger now, so. Dog food. Oh, let's go to the candy section. Let's have a look there. Because usually candies say quite a lot about culture. Like in Sweden, it's very common that kids get to pick their own candy, like on Saturdays. Saturday's candy day. Peanuts. A lot more of the frozen vegetarian stuff. Oh, that's a very Swedish thing as well. Kebab pizza. Yes, in Sweden they combine kebabs and pizzas in one thing. Sounds disgusting to me, but I love it. And then some garlic sauce on top of it. Alrighty, so this was my first camera test here in the supermarket. I hope you enjoyed it, and now I'm actually gonna buy some things in the shop, so see you tomorrow.